Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a refreshing mojito using Limca. First, gather your ingredients: fresh mint leaves, fresh lime wedges, and some sugar or simple syrup. You will also need plenty of chilled Limca and, of course, crushed ice. Make sure you have a sturdy serving glass and a muddler ready for mixing. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick, zesty, and delightful drink. Now let's get to the fun part. Place about 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves and 2 to 3 lime wedges into your glass. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar or simple syrup, depending on your preference. Gently muddle these ingredients together. The goal is to release the oils from the mint and juice from the lime, not to shred them. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And speaking of keeping things fresh, after you've enjoyed your delicious mojito, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleanup. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, perfect for a spotless home. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. With your muddled mixture ready, fill the glass completely to the top with crushed ice. Next, slowly pour in your chilled Limca, filling the glass almost to the brim. Give it a gentle stir to combine all the wonderful flavors without losing the fizz. Finally, garnish your refreshing Limca mojito with a fresh mint sprig and a slice of lime. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.